Yeah, this one feels like Planet of the Apes. Caesar could have told man wait. Shout man down in my Batman cape. Told man watch out for Agent Jake. I'm gonna start when you stack those stinking plates. Man don't wash his hands, his bait. This is the two back but I won't change. Hey, Wolsey. Let's go. Oi. Wait. Watch out for Agent Smith. Go see me, I'm an ancient myth. But my team does a hit and miss. Man don't roll with gold on wrist. Come on. Especially today. Wait. Old tight Johnny fucking Clayface. You get me? Popsy, Cooley, Jack Fitz, Charge Brown, Hexagon Dogs, J King. Hey, this one sounds like Planet of the Apes. Caesar could have told man wait. Show man down in my Batman cape. Told man when he was Jake. I'm gonna show where you stack those stinking plates. Man don't wash his hands, his bait. This is the two pack but I'm on. Hey, man just got paid. Man want EJ with lemonade. So I'm gonna do smells like lemon haze. On my wave, yes I'm my wave. And your crew's very gay. When I say gay, I mean very gay. Yeah, man take men with Ben gay. So just tease on my DNA. Please, my man EJ with a little squeeze. Smoking a dude that's potency. On my way, come on my D. On my crew very lean. When I say lean, I mean very lean. And when I got stuck on my light steam, who would I hide when man's in the team? Man just what first. My man EJ with a little curb. Smoking a dude that's frozen herb. On my way, come on you jerk. On my way, yes I'm vapor. Hey, let's go. Yeah, we are the king of kings. Just like Sullivan said for the king of kings. We know the deepest things. Oi.